Hey everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We're starting in a cross-legged position as you take deep breaths in and out through your nose. Circle your arms out and up, touching your hands at the top. Take an inhale in through your nose. Exhale, twist to the right, placing your left hand on top of your right knee, looking over your right shoulder. Keep your left hand where it is as you face forward, lifting your right arm up and over for a side body stretch. Lower your right hand to your left knee, feeling a stretch in your upper back and in your shoulder blades. And you have the option for a gentle forward fold. We rise back up as you circle your arms up overhead again, touching at the top. Take a big inhale. Exhale, twist to the left, placing your right hand on top of the left knee, looking over the left shoulder. In side body stretch, you lift the left arm up and over. Left hand comes down to the right knee, and you have the option for that gentle forward fold. And you slowly rise back up, straightening your arms in front of you with your hands touching. Open your arms wide as you drop your head back. And now close your hands together as you bring your chin to your chest. Again, open your arms, drop your head back. Close your hands together, chin to chest. Let's do that one more time. You open your arms, drop the head back. And you close your hands, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Lower your hands for a forward fold. Just walking the hands forward and then relaxing your head and your neck. Rise back up as you straighten your right leg out to the side. Flex that right foot, coming into a side body stretch with your left arm. Turn to face your right leg as you lower your hands. And maybe you walk your hands up a little bit. Let's make our way to the other side. So now you bend your right leg, you straighten your left leg out to the side, and you come into that side body stretch. Turn to face your leg as you lower your hands down. Let's rise back up, coming into our straddle position now, straightening both legs out to the side. And walk your hands forward. Maybe one day your belly or your chest or even your forehead touches the floor. Let's come back up as we close our legs to the front of our yoga mat. Take an inhale as you reach up. Exhale, forward fold. We make our way into tabletop, coming onto our hands and knees. Cow pose, drop your belly low, shine your chest forward, look up. And cat pose, round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Let's do that one more time. Cow pose. And cat pose. Back to tabletop as you reach your right arm up to the ceiling. Thread the needle, sending your right arm behind your left wrist, lower down on that right shoulder, and reach your left arm forward. Lift your right arm up again. And you lower it back down as you lift your left arm up towards the ceiling. Thread the needle. Lift your left arm up one more time and lower that hand down as you curl your toes under, sending your hips up and back for downward facing dog. Shake your head no. And now shake your head yes. Relax your head as you start to pedal your legs, bending and straightening. Straighten both legs as you work the heels closer to your mat. Take tiny steps all the way to your hands. Open your legs for ragdoll pose. There's a little bend in your knees and you grab opposite elbows. And just let your upper body hang. Lower your hands for malasana. Open your legs, turn the toes out, and sink your hips deep. Option to bring your hands to heart center, using the elbows to press the legs out. Lower your hands, send your hips high, coming back into that forward fold. And I'm just going to turn so you can see me, but you just open your legs a little bit wider for a wide-legged forward fold now. And you can grab behind your ankles as you try to pull yourself through the legs. Clasp your hands together behind your low back, straighten your arms, and just try to stretch out the shoulders. Release your hands back down to the mat. Bring the legs a little bit closer for Malasana. Squat all the way down. And from here, just have a seat with your legs crossed. Let's circle our arms all the way up, touching at the top. Bring those hands to heart center for a deep inhale in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.